Assalamu alaikum students and their parents. This is Umayma Maryam. I am the instructor for the course titled Ethics and Etiquette in Islam. As the name suggests, this course is going to be about the moral values and the ethical principles that should guide our living as a Muslim. And it basically begins with talking about our relationship with God and how He expects us to be kind towards people around us, and look after them, and the etiquettes that we're supposed to develop as a Muslim, which includes, saying Allah's name before eating or eating with right hand, or all those ceremonial salutations and utterances that are supposed to be part of a Muslim's life. Plus, it will deal with emotion regulation. So all those negative emotions, anger, jealousy, greed, or inferiority, and all of that, that is sometimes likely to affect us. We're going to be talking about that, and we're going to be talking about effective ways of dealing with those emotions, managing and regulating those emotions, trying to overcome those negative feelings. And lastly, we'll be talking about basic manners, some general things when greeting people, when visiting people, when having guests, and all of that. So the outline will describe all of that in greater detail, but this is pretty much what this course will be about. Very excited to see you in class. See you soon.